I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your Windows 11 clipboard. It's really simple to do. Go there to the bottom left, hit search, and start typing clipboard. And it'll come up, it'll say clipboard settings. And you can go down there and click on the clipboard settings and look to the right. And there where it says clipboard history, you can toggle it on and off. And you can also share this with other devices, or you can clear your history this way also. But I'm going to go ahead and turn it off and show you another way you can do it. The other way you can do is hit the search, which is that window key, and the V, and hold them down. And this will pop up, and you just go over here and turn it on. And that's simple. So let's go and copy a few things. We'll go to my website so we can copy stuff. I think you can copy up to 25 things. So we'll go ahead and highlight this where it says all practice tests are available for 2 months. We're going to right click and hit copy, or you hit Control C. So we already got that on the clipboard, and we're going to go to Amazon. I have an Amazon affiliate account to where I share a lot of information. So I'm going to click up here on this product and hit text, and I can right click and copy that, or hit Control C and send that to somebody. And if somebody purchases that, I get a small percentage. And we're going to go to my Amazon storefront. And once I go to the storefront, say I want to share with people the stuff that I have purchased through Amazon. So I can go right there and hit copy, and it copy it to the clipboard. Say for instance, I want to promote this green screen. I can just click on it. I can highlight this stuff right here and right click and hit copy, or hit Control C. Say I want to send somebody a link to this. I just click on it. I want to send them the image. So I go up here where it says image. I click on it, and it's going to be a lot of text in this image. And like I said, you can do up to 25 different items, and it's a limit to like 4 megabytes. So I can copy that, and it's on the clipboard now. So let's go to a Word document. We're going to hit the Windows V. And this is all the stuff that you have copied on your clipboard, and just click on it and it pastes it for you. And you can paste it anywhere you want. You can paste it in website, in YouTube. We're going to hit the Windows V again, and we're going to go down and just pick something else. So it copies up to 25 items. You see, I think I've copied 6 or 7. And you can also clear the history. Just hit that Windows or search V again, and just go up here and just clear it all. And there you go. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.